Hi, my name is Joe Kim, and you are about to see my sound design implementation for the game Tanks in Unity. So, this is Tanks, a Unity game consisting of two tanks trying to blow up each other. Music and sound wise, we have very few things happening here. Not much variety going on here when it comes to sound, so in this demo reel, I'll show you what I've done to the game. So the first thing I did was to focus on the tank itself. I used the layer approach for the fires being shot. So I layered them into punch, mech, and body. I did this by implementing it via script in C#. Next, I added a scriptable object to the shell's explosions. This sound event helped create a variety of sounds with only two audio clips that I've placed here. The event alternates the clips randomly, including their properties, volumes, and pitch. Next, I wanted to add sounds to the level. There are some pump jacks, this little area where there are some trees, and a helicopter landing zone. So I wanted to implement this using Fmod. So I created three different ambiances. One is a random helicopter pass. You'll be hearing this from time to time. And this mini little tree desert jungle area with some crickets and bird sounds. I also added more sounds to different objects in the scene via triggers and collisions. For example, first I created my own engine idle sound and driving sound. Then I also added sounds when the shells hit the rock. And also when the shells hit the concrete houses. When the tank bumps into this radar. When the tank goes through this factory area. And finally, when the tank goes through this rocky texture. Last, I composed and added some battle music, and here's the gameplay of the whole thing together. Thanks for watching!